Hey everybody, here at Pilot Knob, we're gonna try and climb all the way to the top before it gets dark out. There we've got the old Malibu Park down here. Now, if you can see that little pathway, that's where we gotta go right there. And I'll probably just time lapse this and put some music to it or something, I don't know.
Such is the way of the world, you can never know just where to put all your faith.
There's Malibu right there.
How will it grow? Gonna rise up, burning black holes and dark memories. Gonna rise up.
That's what it looks like looking down the first part. What's the time, Amber? 4:06. So we're gonna continue. We're not trying to set a record, we're just trying to hold a good pace. How's it going back there? Here's a view of the train, Interstate 8. So that's the Chocolate Mountain Range over there. The Amber's up there, she's ready to go. You see all the RVs that are spaced loosely. Yep, that's Pilot Knob BLM. All right, we're almost there. Straight up right there. Almost there. All right, guys. Camera says 21 minutes, 46 seconds. I'm gonna get a breather and let you admire the view. That there is straight south into Mexico. Oh, there's one of their fires. We got a view of it. I can tell it is burning garbage. They burn it and then bury it. I've had my e-bike over there alongside the wall by that American Canal. There's the cross. Chocolate Mountains. Yeah, if you're wondering, Yuma is there. I can see it. Let me see if I can find it on the camera. But if you just look for a water tower out in the middle of the screenish right now, you might be able to see the water tower where the tennis courts are that we play. Yeah, we were gonna wait till sunset, but I don't know. It looks like people have climbed it this way too. I see paths. It's right in the middle of the screen. We went and explored down in there. It's an old RV park. It's closed down now, but I bet it was really awesome back in the day. All right, guys, so that's Pilot Knob. It can be done in probably 10 minutes if you're an Olympic son of a gun. Thanks for coming along. Stay warm, have a cold one for me. Peace. Here's a cool little view I wanted to show you guys. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it's like almost, it's straight down here, but it's carved in. So it's like a 20-foot drop to the next level, but it's way down there. All right, guys, on our way back down to the car, Maddie spotted a juvenile Sidewinder. So let's take a look at it before it gets too dark out. Now, I believe they are poisonous, so I am not gonna get too close to it, but, because it could, ooh, it just stuck. Ooh, it just hissed at me, guys. Listen to that rattle. Should I try and get you closer? Look at that sound of that rattle. Hang on. There, I got the microphone. Oh, and now quit rattling. Well, there you guys go. There's a little rattlesnake out here at Pilot Knob. All right, we saw a rattlesnake. Woo! All right, later guys.